Thank you for calling your neighborhood PetSmart, where we'll do anything for pets. For hours and location, press 1. For the grooming salon, press 2. For curbside pickup of an online order, press 3. For pet training information, press 4. For fish, bird, small animal, and reptile information, press 5. Our team is busy assisting other pet parents and are unable to perform stock checks at this time. Thanks for calling PetSmart. How can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. I came here a week ago and I bought some bird seeds
Uh-huh.
and I brought them home and I planted them
Uh-huh.
and I ain't seen no birds come out the ground yet. Can you tell me what might be the problem?
You don't grow birds from bird seed?
It said bird seeds.
No, that's just to feed them.
Oh shit. Well, I planted them things and I've been waiting to see some birds come out the ground and I ain't seen shit.
Yeah, it's just feeding them.
Oh, that sounds like I done screwed up then, don't it?
Just a little bit.
Well, what can I do about it? You got any ideas?
Well, if you don't have birds to feed with the bird seed, I would return the bird seed and get a bird.
Well, I'm trying to grow me some.
You can't grow a bird.
Well, why can't I?
That's not how it works.
It said bird seed. I should be able to plant them things and wait for them to come out the ground.
No, they, just eat it.
Are you sure about that?
100% positive, yes.
Great day. What do I do?
Well, like I said, if you don't have a bird to feed, return the bird seed. If you get a bird, you can feed it with the seed, but you cannot grow a bird out of the ground.
Oh, is there any way I can get the refund on my bird seed then?
Yeah, you just have to return it.
Because I didn't get the birds out the seed like you said it would.
Yeah, you can't grow a bird from bird seed.
Well, I damn sure tried. That's a hell of a mess, ain't it?
Yeah,
You ever tried it?
do what?
You ever tried it?
No, because I know that you can't grow a bird out of the ground.
Well, I do now. Great day. I don't know what to think about this situation. This kind of disgusts me and pisses me off a little bit. I was looking up to them birds. And she hung up. Bye. I'll watch for my birds.